I wanna see you. I wanna see you so bad. Show me Macau. Show me, show me, show me, show me Macau. Show me Macau. I wanna see you Macau. I wanna, I so badly wanna see you Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau. Mama Macau. Ooh, ooh. I wanna see you, Macau. I wanna, I so badly wanna see you, Macau. Mama, Macau. Mama, Macau. Mama, Macau.
Okay, so this is Gamboa Lane, and we're going to be exploring this and going all the way down the street. And check out these little balconies everywhere. That one even has a nice cactus. You can see one. There's quite a few plants on them as well. But we're going to start over there, and there's some artwork right around the corner, and that's where Gamboa starts. Travessa de Gamboa, and it leads into one called Hua. So let's go down there and start, and we're going to do Gamboa Lane. Travessa de Gamboa in Macau. Let's put this baby up on the map. And so there you go, you can see where it is. It's in the inner harbor area. And that little lineup of people that were all waiting in front of that pasteleria shop, that's been there since 1958. That's like, what is that, almost 75 years old? About almost 75 years old, that little pasteleria shop. Nonetheless, we have some lyrics. So this is just kind of a simple short song, but the lyrics are there nonetheless. And we're going to get into the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk down Gamboa Lane in Macau. So this right here is Gamboa Street, Rua de Gamboa, and that goes up the hill. It goes quite a way. There's like 3 Gamboas, I think. There's like, but we're going to be walking down the lane. There's like Rua, and I forget the other one, but they just keep going all the way up to these churches. And then this one down here is in this reclaimed area, which was maybe reclaimed from the ocean about 100 years ago. So we're going to be walking down that way in a moment. And then down here we have these long lines. I'm not sure the reason for these long lines. I'm trying to see. Let's see what we got here. So I guess it's all because of this Castalia. So I guess that is a tourist attraction right there. So I think all this whole line right here is all for that. And there's always long lines here all the time, and I think that this is the store right there, and I think that is where they make it. So let's walk over there. So they'll make it here and then sell it there. So let's go back. There they are right there. Really cool. So that's all at the base. And that's a long line. So okay, so that's all on, this is all on Rua de Gamboa. And then we're gonna walk down this way. And this is all on this Travessa right here. I'm gonna capture some of this artwork right here before we go down. So yeah, lots of artwork that goes all the way up. And then this is actually for trash. So you can see people pushing the green button, and then they can put trash in this. So yeah, that's also at the base of Travessa de Gamboa. It's really beautified. And that's where those snacks are at right there. And then we're gonna walk down this way briefly. There's that antique shop right here. There's some okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Got some nice, interesting architecture too in this area, like that. That goes down the ocean, but not in a pretty way. This is where we started the video, right in this space. But what I mean by not in a pretty way is like, you see how all this right here, it's like mostly the ocean, but it's the port. So there's, everybody is in there, it's all kind of blocked from view. But that might change in the future because they're also doing a lot of construction down there. And they're building a train line that's going to follow that way as well. These are kind of cool too. Just the balcony style. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And it's kind of has a little bit of a, we're kind of relatively close to the ocean, so I feel like there's more of the, like, import-export, moving stuff around feeling. Nice bike. So let me just see here. So we're going to come down to the end of the street. So yeah, this is Gamboa, and this is in the reclaimed land area. But then that other street, Hua, where we started at, kind of where we started at the end of the street, that goes up into the historic Portuguese area. Really sunny and bright right here. And then we're just gonna go all the way down. Then that goes up to a seminary and up into the historical Portuguese, that wall right there, and you just go up like that. And then Gamboa also goes down as well from that other side. So this is Francis Antonio, where we're at now. This is Gamboa Lane. So yeah, Francis Antonio goes all the way down to the ocean, straight down. And Gamboa also goes up to the ocean, but like 2 blocks away. And then this is a little lane between these two. All right.